Today, 4 friends to introduce a special stud welding insulation nail. Small size, lightweight, one-hand operation, easy to welding and use. Full LCD display, the first line displays the voltage. The voltage height can be adjusted. The internal voltage real-time tracking, digital adjustment voltage. Instead of the traditional manual
LCD
knob
screen
adjustment,
replaces
high
the
traditional digital tube display. The display is more accurate and easier to adjust the voltage operation. The second line is the weld count function. For each nail weld, increase the number by 1. It can effectively count the number of welding workers, visually show the workload of workers. There is no changing the counter without actual welding. The calculator will be added one only after the actual welding. The circuit board adopts the integrated design. The equipment is more precise. The failure rate is almost 0. Below 4 friends to show the insulation nails under the actual welding effect. The welding counter now reads 13. After welding, it becomes 14. After welding, the counter changed from 13 to 14. After welding, the counter changed from 14 to 15. Good welding effect, high welding fastness. Each nail can withstand 15 kilograms of tension. Below 4 friends to show the welding construction site. We can provide OEM and ODM services to customers.